Good morning, guys. Monday morning, bright and early, sun's out. Let's get going. We have an exciting project on today. It is a Volkswagen transporter. It was a crew cab. It's been converted to a camper van. So let's get going. My beard is gone. Yes, I shaved, but this video is only done on Wednesday because we messed up on Monday when I had a beard. So look, it happens. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. So guys, as you can see, this van used to be a crew cab. We've got these old mounting points on the floor, and we have this seat belt here, bolted in here, here, and behind this panel here. So first job on this is to remove them, and we'll remove this one as well, just to make it look uniform. Right, let's get to it. As you can see now, we have the carpeted panel removed, and you can see that this fan has been well insulated. We're going to put our little hole here for our shore power and run our cable up along here to our box that will be fitted here in the furniture. Now we have the files ready for the CNC machine. Right guys, we've been stopped again. Little problem, nothing too big, not for us anyways. So as you've seen, the furniture door is on the ground, but this here, can you see it here? I'll just take the camera down. This here is 15mm over the height of the door, so that means we need to remove 15mm off the bottom of the door. So it's back to the CNC machine. So guys, this van is now complete. We have fitted our furniture, as you can see here. We have our upper and lower shelving units. We've got our microwave fitted here, and this customer decided not to go with a fridge or a hob simply because he had no use for it, so there was no point in fitting it. Towards the back then we've got our tambour door, and we also have one socket which was requested. Plenty of storage space. We got the rock and roll bed fitted as well. So guys, we've actually we've gone over the 100 subscribers to our YouTube channel. I didn't think I would get so many subscribers so fast, so thank you to each and every one of you. Look, we have plenty more builds coming in the pipeline. We have my baby here, which is our 2006 Transporter, which I love to bits. We also have a motorbike. I do a lot of track days in Mondello Park. I'm actually one of the marshals there, so we'll get the bike ready for next year, or this year should I say. Depends whether the track is open or not. So look, we have the bike project to sort out. We'll probably do some graphics in it also, a bit of track day etiquette. Plenty more to come. Also, if you'd like to tell us what you'd like to see in our videos, please just drop a line on the video below, and I look forward to reading your comments. And again, look, please like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, that's it guys, peace out. Thank you very much.